Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. From the platform standpoint, I can modify the all of the sidebar content. So if we look over here at the sidebar, is all stored in posts. So just go in and find the right post that contains it. So if you want to cloak links, we didn't bury this stuff in a sidebar file or anything. This is all accessible in post content. All the footer content, this is all in posts also being dynamically called in based on the theme. So every time you switch a theme, the home page changes, the sidebar changes, the T's and C's and the footer changes, everything, all dynamically populated with your links. It's all there, all carrying your affiliate ID, any sub IDs that you're passing onto the offer page, and then reporting back to the network. So let's look at the network again. I'm gonna go back to the network. I'm gonna click on the home page, and here I can click on my reports. So on the reports, I can check my clicks list, and I can see the clicks that I have. And we're even reporting back to you guys the IP address of the visitor. You won't find this anywhere else. If I want to find out where my traffic is coming from, if I want to geo-target a campaign, day part a campaign, we're reporting your clicks down to the second. You can't get this intelligence. I've been belong to all of the networks for years now, and they will not share this information. You know exactly which creative produced it, what site it came from. If you had additional parameters in here, like you can edit this view and show you that you can, your keyword or your sub ID, your channels, all of this fully accessible. I can bump this to 100 rows if I want to look at all my clicks. I have multiple ways of looking at my data. I have flash charts. I can look at today versus this week versus this month, this year, all time. We're showing you the difference between not just your impressions and your clicks, but your raw versus your unique. So okay, you've got three clicks, but how many of those are actually unique? It shows here that they're all from the same person. Okay, so that's not you're getting false data from most of your networks. This is going to show you bar charts, line charts. Not much in here because we just set up this user, but there's some advanced functionality where I can look for specific campaigns or specific channels if I've set up specific websites to run on, and I can really drill down, and now I can really optimize a campaign. Okay. I can go in and I can take a look at the offers that I've been approved for. You can see that we have additional link cloaking here. So if I want to go in and pull a banner for InStyler, for example, I just click on the creative for that. It's going to pull up all of the banner creative that's available to me for the InStyler campaign. Let's see. It's got this. Apply this here. Actually, no. Let's go back. Let's look at idle white instead, right? So if I wanted to, I can grab my link code. I can pop it in here, pull it out of the network, copy that, and I could cloak it if I want to, right here. All your tracking 202 redirects, it's right here. You want PHP, HTML, or JavaScript redirect. You say I want an HTML redirect, or you're running PHP for tracking 202. Generate that. It's going to let you download that file. You can upload it to the server, and you're off and running. You've got all your standard link cloaking. Everything. Like I said, set up different channels. If I want to add a channel for domain 1, and I want to track to see running the same offer on different domains to see which one converts better, I can add domain 1. I can add domain 2. Then I can append my URLs with these different codes, domain 1, domain 2, go back to my banners. Now let's say I want to refresh my channel list here. I have my channels. I want to apply domain 1. Okay, it's going to add that sub ID for channel to your code. So I go in here, and now I can see that this channel is domain 1. So now I can run this creative, and here's my impression pixel in here, also with the channel for domain 1. Or I can go drop that on one site, and then I can pull channel ID for domain 2. It's going to load domain 2 as the channel. Again, go in, and I can see my channel IDs are now domain 2. So now I can drop this banner, or I can go into the back end of the platform like we looked at. And if I want to, then I can refresh this view, and now I can apply this channel. Okay, refresh my channel list. There's domain 1. Again, this is all right within the platform that we've built here for you guys to run these offers on. So now I can append domain 1, pull my different creative. It's going to be added here, right? Get my banner code. It says, oops, I haven't applied that. Let's apply domain 1. It's going to refresh all the banner code.